Welcome back to the Reidel Law Firm Odyssey channel. Today I want to chat about our next installment on traps for franchisors, for startup franchisors, so those who are looking to franchise their concept. Previously we've covered protecting your brand, your trademarks, having a strong brand, bringing in the right team. We've talked about not compromising your system and a few others. So today I want to chat about another aspect of that, and that is developing the right training, right? Developing top-notch training is what I would call it. And it's extremely important because your training is ultimately going to be the crucial key to success for your franchisees. It's going to put the tools in their hands to go out and operate your concept, operate your system successfully and reach clients, reach customers, and make loyal customers and clients out of those people that they reach and touch and provide services to every day. So it is extremely important. It really is behind understanding your system and building your model. It's really the top notch. It really is the top consideration, rather. It's going to be the most important aspect of it. So you need to put a lot of thought into the training. I know when franchisors are starting out, they will put a lot, in my experience at least, I'll tell you, they'll put a lot of effort into developing their system, figuring out the marketing, how to reach clients and customers, and maybe even recipes. If it's a restaurant, they want to have the best recipe, right? They want to have that right taste and flavor. And training becomes an afterthought. Training of franchisees. We'll come to a franchisor, start helping them with the franchise process and going through the legal documents, the FDD, the FA, and counseling them through those decisions. And a lot of times we recognize that somewhere, in the middle of the process or wherever, when we come up to the training, when we have to start disclosing that training modules, right, the training hours, all of that has to be in the franchise disclosure document. When we get to that, we recognize and realize that our franchisors, oftentimes the startups, they haven't put enough thought into the training. And what I mean by that is they haven't considered everything about a franchisee that they need to teach. So that's everything from choosing the right location, understanding your target demographics, teaching them about marketing, right? Teaching them how to reach your clients, teaching them how to develop the site, where to get the inventory, where to get the equipment, what are the workflows, what you do when you open the door in the morning and flip on the light until when you walk out at night and turn the light off. Everything in between there, you need to train your franchisee. You cannot have the assumption that the franchisee can take your little book, right, your little operations manual, or take a couple days of training from you and operate your system as well as you do as a franchisor. So I want to reiterate that. It's really something I see often, and we have to try and help our franchisees. Now, I don't do the training. I'm an attorney, so I'm not the person you want helping you with the training. I recognize that there are experts in it. We have some great folks that we work with. Jumpstart Franchising in Denver, Colorado comes to mind. There's some great programs as well with the Titus Center for Franchising in Palm Beach Atlantic University in Florida. So there are experts out there. There are courses and instructions for you to be able to learn how to put those together. Encourage you strongly to do that, to think about it, to start, as you're working through systematizing your concept, think about the training that will need to go in to taking someone off the street and putting them in the position of a franchise operator for your system. So just wanted to share that, and if we can help you out with franchising your concept, or you're exploring franchising in the near future, reach out to Reidel Law Firm. We'd love to hear about your concept and see where you're going, see what your vision is. I've seen some really just amazing and tremendous ideas out there, and we've gotten to help out with quite a few that are really cool, from food and beverage to childcare and gyms and activities to home services. It's a lot of fun. I mean, franchising is it's open to everything and everyone, and there's a lot of great ideas out there. So please share it. I'd love to hear those. I'd love to see if we can help you out and be the right fit for you. And till next time, we'll see you then.